Hello guys, and today we have Samsung Galaxy device from a technician. The technician told me that he has tried several screens and the phone still has touch problem. So we have a device that has touch issue. What do you mean by touch issue? Right? It means when you power on the phone is powering on, pictures is showing, the light is showing, but when you touch the screen to operate the phone, it's not responding. All right, we have repaired a Samsung device 2 3 4 videos ago, and something related to this, but we are having another Samsung here today. So I'm going to walk you through how I was able to repair this. There is something I want you to know as a technician. There is no one way fix on a particular problem on a phone. You need to learn troubleshooting from the basics. You need to take the troubleshooting from the basics and work your way up to where the problem is. And that is why we have created an online and physical training for you. If you are interested to join our physical or online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen and we are going to help you become a technician. Join the groups of technicians that are sharing their testimonies. All right, now the first thing we are going to do is physical inspection. Like I told you, this phone came in from a technician. Let's see if he has tampered with anything or probably there's corrosion. As you can see, look at the component on the board. I mean, we are doing more physical inspection right now. We look at the capacitors towards your right, you see that there is a sign of liquid damage over there, and look at the board is somehow rusty, and yeah, that's the right word I can use for it right now. Is rusty, a lot of rust, and the components are no more shining as they used to, as they are supposed to be. All right, so what do we do here? We've inspected the board, everything looks perfect, but we are going to take readings on the FPC clip. All right, so taking reading on the FPC clip, I'm using my multimeter to read for open circuit, and I have discovered that there is an open circuit on this area. And what is the open circuit I'm talking about? A resistor is missing, and this resistor is not just any resistor. All right, it has a value. So it means you can't just pick up any resistor from any PCB and replace with it. You need to know the actual value of this resistor. So if you want to learn more on how to know the actual value of the resistor you should use on this type of line, on this line, because it's a line missing, right? On this line, you need to join our physical or online training so that we'll be able to teach you how to know all these things. All right, how do I know that there is a resistor there? It's not just by magic. There are principles that you need to follow as a technician so that you'll be able to solve a particular problem. And here we go. I'm soldering back the missing resistor. What could cause a missing resistor right there? Number one, some technicians keeps long nails. So whenever they want to pop out the FPC, the screen from the PCB, their long nails will pull along some components, and at the end of the day they will find out that the phone that is touching is no longer touching. All right, so don't be that kind of technician that keeps long nails. Even when you are keeping long nails, it has its disadvantages. That's why we have tools. Instead of using your nails, we have tools to open and work on PCB. All right, so I hope you understand. Now I'm done installing the resistor right there. Let's go back to the phone and let's see if the phone is going to work or not. If you're interested in our online or physical training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are definitely going to help you become a better technician. Trust me when I tell you that we have amazing topics on mobile phone troubleshooting for you to learn and develop yourself. So just DM us on the numbers on the screen, chat with us on how you can be a student in our institute and become professional at this job. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to test, and the screen is touching right away. Come on, hit the like button for this successful repair. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video. Peace.